This is the best small batch sugar cookies recipe. These soft Lofthouse style sugar cookies melt in your mouth and are topped with a rich buttercream frosting. This cookie recipe is a keeper and it's been in my recipe files for years. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. First, we'll line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Set the bowl aside. In a separate medium-sized bowl, mix together the 6 tablespoons of salted butter and 6 tablespoons of sugar with an electric mixer for about 2 minutes. Beat in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1 large egg. With the mixer on low speed, slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing just until the ingredients are combined. Cover the dough and chill in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. When you're ready to bake the cookies, heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop up 1/4 cup of the dough and roll it into a ball. Flatten the ball slightly and place it on the prepared baking sheet. Repeat with the remaining dough and space the cookies at least 2 inches apart. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Do not overbake. The edges of the cookies should be very slightly browned. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 2 minutes, then transfer the cookies to a cookie rack to cool completely. Now you can enjoy sugar cookies just as they are, or, as I love to do, make a decadent frosting to top the cookies. To make the frosting, we'll start with a medium-sized bowl and whisk together 1 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 1/2 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Whisk in additional milk as necessary, 1 teaspoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. If you want to color your frosting, you can mix in 3 to 4 drops of food coloring. Use a knife or an offset spatula or a spoon to frost the cooled cookies. And finish the cookies off with a topping of sprinkles. Enjoy! Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.